What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here at my favorite little spot by the Etowah River here in Cartersville, Georgia. Just thought I'd do a little quick update on the Mercedes E300 diesel that I've had now for, I guess, a couple of months, 2 months, month and a half. As you can see, she's looking pretty nice. I've got her washed and cleaned up pretty good. I ordered some new little center caps to replace the standard just silver gray ones. The nice little ones with the blue crest around them. Looks much better. My favorite car wash I go through actually stole my hood star. So I've got a new hood star order, $20 eBay. But yeah, damn car wash. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do about this. I'm going to see if I can get some paintless dent repair to see if he can maybe take that out and maybe pull some of that out right there. It's just an ever so light crease there in the fender, but some touch-up paint in that dent sure would help. I repolished the headlights. They look good. Like my ancient Georgia tag on the front. I found that at my grandparents' house from 1965. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Thought it looked cool. But yeah, the car, man, has just been doing great. Only problem I've had is this window has either the regulator or something inside the door has broken and the window will not roll down anymore, but it stays up, so that's good. Interior still looking pretty good and clean. I ordered one of those kind of dash mats that's made out of carpet fuzz stuff. Thought I'd give it a try and see if it looked okay, just to kind of help cover up some of the little cracks that it has. It has some in the center up there. Not sure if you can see those. I'd like to at least try and cover them up. This I cleaned and it's already gotten dirty again just from me. So I need to work on that a little bit and clean it up. Back seat and everything still, solid shape. I've been spending the weekend away. This weekend I'm just now heading home, so I've got my pillow and my clothes in my bag. I picked up a little E300 from 1997, brand new, still in the wrapper. Picked up off of eBay for a few bucks. I thought that was kind of cool to include with the car. But yeah, other than just the window, the rear passenger window stopped working. The only other complaints I really have with the car, like my license tag surround, I thought that was cool. Mercedes Benz Manhattan. Is my rear defogger does not work. It does not work. It's in-op. I don't know if it's a fuse or what, but it is in-op. Sunroof works, say, 50% of the time, so I don't fool with it. I just leave it closed. I do have a trunk load of parts that the previous owner included with the car that includes all new tracks and what have you to rebuild the sunroof tracks. So I need to do that. Engine wise, everything's going good. Transmission is shifting good, running good. It's just if you drive it in S mode and you floor it, the transmission will never upshift. So you've got to let off the throttle a little bit for it to upshift. If you leave it in W mode, you can floor it and it will ring out to about 4,000 RPMs and then it will shift. And of course it starts out in second gear. but I like to use S because I like that first gear start, that get up and go, and I just modulate the throttle for my shifts. I mean, that's all you got to do. I'm sure there's probably something that's causing it not to upshift on its own when you just pin the throttle to the floor, but I'll get around to figuring that out later. And there's all the EGR stuff that was deleted. I think I've showed you guys before. No issues as far as it running and driving. It's getting about 23.5 miles to the gallon, but that's with a heavy foot. Air's cold, heat's hot, cruise works. You know, just a hell of a runner. You don't even have to glow it. Just turn the key. She fires right up. No problems. Do have a little squeal going on down here. Not real sure what that's to. When it gets really, really bad, then I will address it. But man, what a great running old car, man. You just can't beat the old om606 inline 6 diesel. I mean, you just can't beat it. It's just a hell of a motor. And the 5-speed automatic is so durable and robust. It shifts very smooth. And it's just a pleasure to drive. Pleasure to own and drive. Get my seatbelt on. It's 68 degrees today. It's 2:31 in the afternoon, this Sunday afternoon, November 22nd. 68 degrees. I mean, people are out here at the river and the lake today, doing a little fishing and just spending a little time with the family. But yeah, the old Mercedes has just been a thrill. I still don't think it's as quick as my old 95, but I like it 1,000 times better. I really missed my 95 when I got rid of it. But now that I found this car, this is, to me, the perfect blend and the best of both worlds. You know, W210 chassis with that engine is just great. I just freaking love it. Got the window down. Let me roll this window up. We'll do us up here at the stop sign. I'll do a modulated full throttle run. Modulate the accelerator. Because if you just hold it to the floor, it won't upshift unless you're in winter mode. But we're going to do it in S so we can get a first gear start. All right, guys, here we go. Got plenty of pep. Not the fastest thing in the world, but it's got enough pep for me and what I need it to do. And it will cruise 90, 100. You've seen my previous videos. It does not run out of steam. It just refuses to run out of steam. The faster you go on the freeway, the happier it is. Typical Benz fashion. Anyway, hope everybody's had a great weekend. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please throw a like or a dislike or a comment. Throw me something in here. I appreciate it. Get the algorithm going. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.